Wagwan! My name is Kunji, and Cooking with Kunji is coming to you from a beach in Jamaica today. I'm coming to you from Winifred Beach in Portland, Jamaica. And I'm going to show you, when it's hot out like this, one of my favorite cocktails to sip in the sun. Stay tuned, watch how I make this. One of my favorite drinks is Wray, Nephew rum and Ting. Ting is a grapefruit soda from Jamaica. You can find it in the US, of course, or you can use any grapefruit soda, any citrus soda. But it's just a really refreshing drink, and I'm just going to show you how I make this. This is delicious.
What a nice.
I'm hanging out today in Winifred Beach. That's in Portland, Jamaica. Okay? And it's not a very touristy beach. There's just a few locals around. Right? Nothing crazy. Water is blue and beautiful. I can see what's going on in there. Lots of seaweed. That's all that's on this beach. Nice and natural. Thank you for watching this video today. The steps and ingredients to making this cocktail will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.